fighting for their lives. Who's gonna win now? Looks like they can go. They're fighting and fighting. They're gonna win and go for all they can. Their lives depend on it. Whoever wins dies forever. Whoever wins, the other dies forever. He split his neck. He's still going. He's almost dead. He's gotta stay alive. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win now?
It's got you right here. Oh.
Well, it's a big fight. See, can he stay? Oh. He's fighting.
Oh, you're dead by now.
If it's now, he's dead, and he's dead forever. Yes. He split his neck. He's dead.
Nah.
Yeah, you're
No.
dead.
Rematch.
Looks like Chase wins.